Hi guys! I know everyone had a bunch of questions today about our field trip. Everyone is really excited and ready to go. So here are a couple things that we can keep in mind before we get to the field trip, and a couple of things that we can use to learn more about where we're going. Where are we going? We're going to Jensen Alvarado Historic Ranch and Museum, and that's in Jurupa Valley. How will we get there? We're going to take the bus. Miss Julie will be driving us there. Isn't that awesome? Time and distance. It will take us 35 minutes to arrive because the ranch is 23 miles away. How long will it take us to get back to school? That's something for you to figure out and tell me on the bus tomorrow. And how many miles will it be round trip? Round trip means going and coming back. Why are we going there? This ranch was established in the early 1870s. Today this historic ranch shows what farm life was like. Visitors to the site can wander through the orchards, feed the resident farm animals, or just walk through the historic ranch house. You get to learn about farming in the 1800s, observe original farm tools, learn how to make ice cream, and learn how to make tortillas. Isn't that exciting? What do I bring? Okay, get ready. You need to bring a sack lunch, which would include your sandwich, some vegetables, some fruit if you like, or some chips, and a drink. Also bring a water bottle because it might get hot tomorrow when we're walking through the ranch. Bring some sunblock so that we don't get sunburned, and make sure that you're wearing comfortable shoes. So tell me what time we're leaving, how long it's going to take to come back. The timeline for tomorrow is we will be boarding the bus at 8:30 in the morning. We will arrive at the ranch by around 9:15. We will board the bus again at 1 p.m. and we will arrive back at school by 1:45 p.m. What will we see there? We're excited. We get to see farm animals. Do you see the pig? Do you see the horse? You get to see what a house was like in the 1870s, a farmhouse. You also get to see how it is that they made tortillas back then and how we can still continue to make them today. We're so excited for our trip tomorrow, guys. Make sure you go to bed on time and come and be happy tomorrow on our field trip.